back again with our setup and plan, and we had a trade on Monday, UJ, and it's still moving, although we had our take profit already hit with 5R. Okay, this is our setup and plan for Euro, for GU, and today we have NFP. You have to be very, 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 very informed about fundamental analysis, right? Then you had a change of character to the downside, external structure. Then had a break of structure to the downside. And this is our sell order block. So you have to move down to internal market structure, because I told you have external structure and internal market structure. And you can see here, had our last break of structure to the downside. As you can see, then we had our break of structure to the upside. Break of structure to the upside. Then you had another break of structure to the upside, and the price reacted very well on this demand zone here, right here. And as you can see, our Asian low, plenty of liquidity just here, plenty of liquidity here. Then what's my plan? My plan is very, very simple. I'm expecting this price. I have two scenarios. The first scenario, I'm going to wait for the price to come here, then break and disrespect this zone, then wait for the retest, then we continue down. After getting a sell confirmation around here, that's scenario number one. Then scenario number two, price can easily move up here and then take out this liquidity, tap into this supply zone, then you get a clear confirmation, then I push down. That's scenario number two. Then scenario number three, I wait for the price to come back here, disrespect this zone, this order block, then I wait for the retest, then I wait for the confirmation from here, then I continue buying that. And you have to be very, very, very patient about this, because sometimes the market is going to be there and you need to be a little bit more patient, understand the direction and the entry, because understand the direction is very, very easy, but to get that entry, that nice entry for a better risk to reward, right? Okay, that's for GU. Then GU, still not complicated, everything is in the right time. You can see we had a breakout structure, and then after having this last breakout structure, the price came down and disrespected this zone. Then we had our external change of character to the upside. So we have our first supply zone, which is this one. Our first order block, which is this one. Then when you go down to 15 minutes, you can see we have apologies guys. Then you have our break of structure to the upside, which is that one. Then you have our order block, which is this one. As you can see, you have our order block here, and then you have our supply, which is here. So what's our plan? Our plan is very, very simple. We need to get the shift here. No, it's still there. We need to wait for the price to come back here. Then we continue buying, targeting this liquidity. That's scenario number 1. Then scenario number 2. If the price disrespect this order block, then you're gonna wait for the break and retest. Then you continue selling down. That's scenario number 2. Then scenario number 3, wait for the retest here. Then a continuation to the downside. Super simple. All right. Then for gold, you have to first find the external market structure. The external market structure is still bullish, and our internal market structure is also still bullish, right? So the most important thing right now is just to wait for the retest, confirmation, then entry. Then you have a break of structure, the downside, then a change of character to the upside. Break of structure to the upside. Then the break of structure to the upside. Then change of character to the downside. Though external structure it's moving up an uptrend, but internal structure just shifted to the upside. Right, you can see it here. Then you had a pullback, it was not valid, it was invalid. Then you had another clean pullback, a better pullback. Then you had our demand zone here. They cleaned up, a nice reaction. Then you have plenty of liquidity just here below here. Plenty of liquidity. And then the GJ have our break of structure to the upside. Then we had our change of character to the downside, and you can see our POI have a lot of them. You can see we have this first one, which is this one. Then you have another one, which is here. I'm looking for a breaker block. I think I should have one. Yep. So you have a sell breaker block. I think you can use that. Let's check on 15 minutes. I see what really. Yeah. This is it. this is it. Then it's very simple. Just wait for the reaction around here, then a continuation to the downside. Then UJ is also very simple. You had a clean trade around here, and it's the same thing. The price was moving up, then it changed down. Then this was our last break of structure to the upside. Sorry, break of structure. Then the price shifted to the downside. That was a very nice shift. Then we have our break of structure to the downside. Then the price continued down. This is a break of structure to the downside, external structure. And then let's see if you have no, there is nothing like that. Then you have our